What's up, good people? Welcome to a very special video. Guys, today I will tell you how to get free organic followers on Instagram without any risk and totally free. Before I start the video, I would like to request one thing, that if you find this video genuine and helpful, please consider subscribing my channel to support me. So anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, we are on the screen now. So go to Instagram. And as you can see, we are on my Insta profile. So look at the followers number and the real time here. This profile I have just created to show you how it works. So what you have to do is click on search bar. Then go to any celebrity profile. For example, The Rock. Go to his profile and follow him. And here is the most important thing. As you can see, Instagram suggesting us some celebrity profile to follow them. Do follow them. So basically, your task is to go to any celebrity profile and follow the suggested account. In one day, you need to follow at least 20 people, but less than 25. After following them, don't unfollow them all in the same time. So every day, if you follow 20 or less than 20 people who has been suggested by Instagram, your followers will increase automatically. Trust me and try this out, please. And I hope if you have found this video genuine, you'll subscribe my channel to support me. Thank you so much for watching.